Hello, Chef here. Today I'm making beet soup. Got these organic beets from a farmer and wow, really nice. First thing you do, wash the beets. Use a plastic cutting board that can be washed off. Beets will stain the hardwood. Okay, in this recipe I'm using half an onion, 1 tomato, got some coriander seeds and a little fennel in there. Got some fresh herbs. This is basil. A little bit of garlic. We're going to be using some chicken base. Okay. I'll be cutting the beets into large dice and then just placing everything in the pot like this. Okay, once all the beets are in the pot, we just add the other ingredients. Onion. Oh yeah, you know your soup is done when these larger beets are nice and tender like this one. Fresh kale. The finished borscht or beet soup, how does it look to you? Please leave a comment. Oh, it's going to be really good. Okay, I'm going to serve this borscht today in a large bowl like this. Just going to put a few scoops in there. Okay, that right there is 1 serving of my borscht. I'm going to garnish this with a pickled egg, as well as some crispy green kale. Wow, that's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day.